The disc at the back spinal column divides the skeletal structures. Disc does not compose blood vessels or nerves like other elements of the skeletal structure. Instead, discs are made up of fat, water, and tissues that connect to the skeletal structure. During all hours of the day, the discs leak water, which is caused from forces of gravity. For instance, when we sit, it is a gravity force in action, which one might think that it takes little effort to sit, but contrary to the notion, it is adding a lot of weight to the spine and disc. The disc restores water that has leaked out during the day, yet the water is restored at slower paces. Fat and water is balanced in the disc, yet when it is not, it causes a person to shrink height. Fat and water inside discs are thick, yet when a person starts aging, the substances begin to thin. When fat and water begins to thin, it can lead to osteoarthritis. Thinning water and fat of the disc is also the leading cause of back pain, especially at the lower region. Discs exterior are covered by annulus fibrosus. Sometimes the connective tissues lead to abnormal thickening, which scars the tissue. Usually injury follows, then infection, and moves to restrained oxygen intake. Surgery is often the result. The inner area of the disc is shielded by nucleus pulposus. The pulp makes up the hub of the disc, which is polished and soft. The discs make up the primary supporting force that regulates the spinal column, bones, muscles, etc. When the disc is not protecting the spinal structures, it is often dehydrated, pressured, or deformed. The disc has strength that combines with flexibility to withstand high loads of pressure, yet when that flexibility and strength is interrupted, it can result to herniated disc slips, or other injuries. Slipped discs in medical terms are known as HNP. Herniated nucleus pulposa, as outlined, the intervertebral discs are ruptured, which interrupts the nucleus pulposa. In medical terms, slipped discs can include L4, L5, which is lumbosacral, and C5-7, which is cervical. L4 is a single area of the spinal column and discs, which defines the numerical disc ruptured. Slipped discs are caused from accidents, trauma, strain of the back and neck, lifting heavy objects, disc degeneration, weak ligaments, and congenital deformity of the bones. Disc degeneration is outlined in this article. Symptoms. Lumbosacral will show apparent symptoms, such as acute lower back pain, which radiates to the buttocks and down to the leg. The person will feel weak, numb, or tingling that stretches to the leg and foot. Ambulation also causes pain. If cervical disc problems are present, the patient will feel stiffness around the neck. As well, the symptoms will make the patient feel weak, numb, and she will feel tingling around the hands. Neck pain often generates pain, extending it to the arms and onto the hands, which cause weakness to the upper region of the body. The weakness often targets the triceps and biceps, which become atrophy. The lumbar is affected also, which the patient will find it difficult to straighten the back. What happens when a disc is slipped and or broken? The annulus fibrosus reacts by pushing its substance into the hollow spacing between the spinal column. The spinal column is made up of nerves, which travel to various parts of the body, including the brain. These nerves are affected when the disc is slipped. Learn more about the central nerve system, CNS, to relate to slipped discs. First, understand how the joints and connective tissues can cause back pain.